It's new TV buying season in 2025, and 98-inch and 100-inch TVs are all the rage. Now, if you decide to pick up one of these monsters, and they are huge, likely the most difficult thing that you're going to face is actually getting it in your house, unboxing it, and setting it up. So today, we're going to take a look at this TCL 98-inch TV so you can see exactly how to get this thing out of the box and get some feet on it, because it is absolutely a two-person job and maybe even a three.
Before we get started, if you're into tech, hi-fi, or movies, be sure to push the subscribe button for new weekly videos. Okay, so you've got a huge television that's been delivered to your house, right? So you got this thing, and maybe it's sitting in your garage, maybe it's in your living room. Anyway, you got to get this thing out of the box. And, well, it's not as easy as said, right? It's easier said than done. So I'm going to give you some pointers to help get you through the process. Now, first off, let's talk about moving the box, right?